Hello coders, today we will talk about how to self-study medical coding. If you want to become a medical coder, you can check below points to get success in this field. Define your objectives and what you aim to achieve through self-study. Establish a timeline and break down your study plan into manageable tasks. Take advantage of online courses, tutorials, webinars, and forums dedicated to medical coding. Use reputable websites and platforms to access study materials, practice exercises, and coding challenges. Allocate time for regular practice sessions to reinforce your understanding of medical coding concepts and coding guidelines. Solve coding scenarios, review case studies, and simulate real-world coding situations. Engage with online communities, discussion groups, or study partners to seek feedback on your coding assignments and clarify doubts. Collaborate with experienced coders or mentors who can provide guidance and support throughout your self-study journey. Maintain a positive attitude and stay motivated despite challenges or setbacks. Celebrate your progress and achievements along the way. Stay persistent and committed to your self-study plan to achieve success in medical coding. From the last videos, we have started discussing basics of medical coding and preparing for CPC exam. Please check out our upcoming videos, like them and share with CPC aspirants. Till then, thank you and happy coding.